I got the two babies at Doghouse. My 97 14K mile unicorns chilling up there with a car cover. Obviously my Teggy. My Teggy is here because AZ1's at home. I'm doing a lot of stuff with the AZ1, but quick update. This guy's gonna be sold one of these days. But I wanted to show you guys under this car. This is what an unmolested Miata looks like from under. Hella clean, hella clean. Here's something really cool about this Miata. All the logos and stickers are still on the car. Oh, see that? Look at that. That's how clean this thing is. 14,000 original miles. So yeah, we got the cars right here chilling. If you guys know where Doghouse is, if they have an event or anything like that, you should stop by and check out the cars because it's just chilling right here. So I got a couple of Hondas here, more Hondas over there. Z, got an ATV, drift car, E30, Land Rover right there, K-Swap, MRS, CRX, and obviously the ketchup and the mustard.